Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn, because I'm going to introduce TFX Gold Hunter in another way, because we have upgraded the system, and I would like to share with you what to expect in this system, all right? What to expect in TFX Gold Hunter. It is very important, guys, for you to understand how the system works, and this is why we share this video, or we share a lot of videos, because it's not a must to share the details about the bots, but since our bots are unique and different with other bots outside there, this is why we share with you in order to you to understand how our robots analyzes the market before picking the signal, or how our EA picks the trades after analyzing some ABCD. So in this video, I would like you to follow closely, because we have upgraded our TFX Gold Hunter into another level, because now it will also work with the RENKO. All right, we have upgraded our TFX Gold Hunter into a RENKO system. And another thing, before we proceed, I would like to remind you guys is that if you are interested with our system, all right, guys, don't worry about the price, because some people are complaining, oh my friend, $2,000 is too much for us, too much. Guys, I have already told you many times, all right, you can DM me, there's my WhatsApp number there. We can arrange on how you can be paying with installments. You just pay some amount, then the balance you will clear with the profit, because we are very confident with our system. Then we can share your profit 50-50 until you finished or you clear the balance. So don't sit there say our robots are 2,000 and maybe you are interested and maybe you cannot manage all 2,000. Guys, there is my number there. You can talk to me, then we can arrange how you can be paying with installment, since we know and we are confident that our system must 100% bank, and we can trust you because you can pay with installment. So that is clear. So let's dive in and see what has happened with this upgraded now TFX Gold Hunter. I'm going to give an introduction, and if you have our manual system or any of our system like TFX RENKO Sniper, I would like also to follow this video closely, because it can give you some information maybe you missed in our last video of introduction of our TFX RENKO Sniper. So this is TFX RENKO Gold Hunter, because it's a RENKO system. So what I'm about to share here, there is some information that you really need also to understand how our RENKO system works, because they all work the same. The analysis is the same. The technical indicators are also the same. The difference is the setups and what we trade. All right, the setup and what we trade. So to get this information, it's very, very important for whoever is interested, or whoever want to learn more about how the RENKO works. All right, so this is why we don't just say it is a Gold Hunter, but it is now a RENKO system. So the TAFX system robots and manual EAs plus signal generator. When we talk about the signal generator, when it comes to a robot, now those are the signal that the EA picks the trades. All right, when we are trading manual, all right, it is the work of the signal generator to send the signal so that it can pop up or it can alert you on your phone or on your screen to buy or to sell when they are well analyzed. So when it comes to any of the RENKO EA, the signal now are not sent. The signal now are picked by the EA automatically. So that is the difference when trading using the manual, because when you're trading with the manual, you wait for the signals to be sent into your phone or to your desktop, then you pick them manually. But when you're working with the EA, instead of sending you the signal, it will pick the signal automatically. This is why they called plug and play. So understand that the only difference between the manual and the EA, the manual, you pick the trades by yourself manually, but the trades, they will be controlled or monitored by the EA. The signal, you don't have to analyze anything. The signal will be generated by the signal generator before sending you the signal. So it's good to understand the difference between the EA and the manual. The manual, you pick the trades manually, but the EA will pick from there and monitor and drive your trade, so that in case of anything they hit your stop loss, then the EA inside the manual system will recover the losses. So I do believe you understand that. So let's go direct and now see what is in this TFX Gold Hunter. The TFX Gold Hunter now, it's a combination of candle charts and RENKO charts with other technical indicators for stronger signal. Keep that in mind. It is the combination of candle charts and RENKO, because candle charts alone, it's not perfect. RENKO alone is not perfect. So now it's the combination of candle charts, RENKO chart with other technical indicators for stronger or reliable signal. Now, what will this TFX Gold Hunter trades or will be trading? The TFX Gold Hunter, it is the only system that will be trading metals, crypto, energies, indices, stocks, and equities. This means that our RENKO Sniper, as I have been telling you guys, the RENKO Sniper trades only currencies pairs, not Forex currencies pairs. That is the work of a TFX RENKO Sniper. Now, when it comes to TFX Gold Hunter, now it won't trade only gold, because previously it was only trading gold, but this time around we have upgraded, since the system also can analyze market with other technical indicators. Now it's well programmed, all right, well programmed, all designed for metals, crypto, energies, indices, and stocks and other equities. So it's good to understand the work of Gold Hunter. So for those people who love to trade gold, those people who love to trade silver, US oil, all right, UK oil, USD versus South Africa Rand, JAR 30 or DAR 30, UK 100, US 30, all right, USP 500, US Tech, and also Bitcoin versus USD, all right, Litecoin versus USD, and NASDAQ, and other stuffs from energies, cryptos, because if you miss any of what I'm mentioning here, or what are already written here or highlighted here, guys, when you're purchasing the system, we can also add that what you want, whether it is from the metals, cryptos, energies, indices, or stock. It is your choice, guys, or to tell us what else you want us to include in this list. But for now, guys, the list here, the reason why I'm saying this, it is because we must test. We must test before sending you. So whatever you will add, the addition of anything that you will add from these, guys, we must analyze them, then we must add them and send to you. But for now, these are well analyzed: gold, silver, UK oil, everything here. As you can see in my list, this one is plug and play now. If you'll have to trade NASDAQ, US 30, gold, or JAR, anything you are seeing here, guys, you can trade it now, plug and play through the system of TFX Gold Hunter. So the TFX Gold Hunter, don't forget what it deals with. It does not deal with currencies pairs. So it is good to keep that in mind. Don't say you are confused in between the RENKO Sniper and the Gold Hunter. So the Gold Hunter, it's now proven by trading these total cryptos, energies, blah, blah. So let's again check about the advantage of using the RENKO system. The first advantage of using the RENKO system, it's managing risk and maximizing profitability. We'll learn that and we'll continue learning that. The other thing, the benefit or advantage of using this system, it is the low risk and high reward. It has a good reward. When it comes to our system, guys, this RENKO system, they have a very low risk and a high rewards. Another advantage is to minimize all over trading. All right, there's people who overtrade. A lot of retail traders, 100%, a lot of them, more than 80%, they are market gamblers. They gamble in the market. They don't trade the way the things that are supposed to, because doing analysis, some of them have already given up when it comes to analysis. And this is why the technology allow us to go to a higher level working with the robots, so that they can do what we cannot do. Even though they are programmed by human beings, they can do excessively. So this is why having the RENKO system minimize overtrading and increase patience. You cannot just jump because candles are moving, because when you're trading candles, some people get tempted because of the movement of the candles. They think they are missing something. They trade what they think. They trade what they see. They think that this should be. And by the end of the day, you'll find yourself over trading, and also you'll find yourself blowing your accounts. But having the system, they will teach you about what is patient, especially when you are trading manually. But for the EA, it is the one to be patient with the market. It is the one not to over trade. Other benefits of using RENKO charts or RENKO system or TFX, our RENKO system, removes market noises. Let's check for instance, what are these market noises? All right, where is gold? Because sometimes God. Let's check this, man. Where is my God? Yeah, what do we call ranging? All right, or let's go back and start the point number one, removing noises. All right, these are what we call noises. When the market is unpredictable, you don't know exactly where this market is going, trying to create sideways market, you don't know. But the benefit of the RENKO system is that it will filter all these noises. For example, all right, using the system, it's very simple. You can see our good example here. You can no longer see these noises, all right? When the market here is raging, don't know where to go up or down, you can see our RENKO system can filter every noises and give us a clear market. That is the meaning of filtering the noises. The point number two, it filter wicks, false breakout, and price volatility. Those are very, very important also to understand, but because when it comes to our system, we have some of false breakouts, all right? We have also false wick. And sometimes people don't know exactly which wicks to depend on, because when people are trading what we call history, it is easier to tell people, oh, you can see this is when you find this big wick, all right, then there can be a good place for you to know that it's a good order block because of this wick, because some people call it single order blocks, all right? But you don't know exactly, because when you're checking the market, almost everywhere there is some wicks, there is big wicks, all right? There is wicks, and you don't know exactly which wicks to trade or which wicks to depend on, because even this one also is a wick that can be used as an order block, or also this one, it's also a wick. And sometimes people are confused because another wick is here and can be used like order block. So when people are training others about the histories, it is easier to learn the history, but it's another thing when it comes to a practical deal. And this is why the RENKO comes in and filter everything. Those false breakout, like for instance, we have a good breakout at this point, all right? This is a breakout, and people thought that this market will reverse to this order block here and go up or blah blah blah, but the market reversed to this point, all right? We can have another order block here. Market did not drop to this area or maybe to this area. This is a breakout. All right. So in order to understand, or maybe it's confusing knowing which one is exact or exactly or profitable or reliable breakout. Sometimes it can be confused. All right, because sometimes you saw exactly this is a breakout or this is a breakout. Sometimes with a small body, you don't understand, is it a reliable order blocks? That's where now the TFX or the RENKO comes in and filter every false breakout, filter false wicks, and the volatility market. What is the volatility market, guys? This is what we call the volatility. You can see the height or the candle. This candle is very long. We have another one here. So this means the candle were jumping big candles. All right. Some of them create like a false breakout. All right. And when you check this market well, you find it's a sideways market. You think there is a patterns here. All right. Or maybe if maybe let's say, for example, you didn't have a clear entry, you say, oh, my friend, maybe I made a mistake. I didn't draw my channel to know whether this market was hitting up and down. I think I confused because of channel. You cannot say that, because here we have a breakout. You thought this market will come and drop this area and go up. All right, we have big candles here and others are small. So when we talk about the volatility, it is when the market is jumping up and down, having big candles, small candles mix up, and the market becomes unpredictable. So that's when you know the importance of having the RENKO. All right, because the RENKO must filter every those false breakout, those market volatilities, etc. So you need to understand the importance of RENKO. And don't forget about, again, our RENKO refreshed itself. There is a lot of RENKO outside there. Some are free indicators, custom indicators. And when you try the market, you think that the market was going like this one, but you find that maybe there was a RENKO, something disappear, blah, blah. There is a lot of things happen there. We started there, guys. We know what we are doing. The best thing with our RENKO, it will refresh itself to make sure that it does not give a false signal. So let us proceed. Now, the other thing about the RENKO, it is the easiest way to analyze support and resistance. All right, you can identify trends in a cleaner way or in a clean way. Like here, let's say, for example, here, the market is not clear because of the way the market is ranging. All right, the market is not clear. You don't know exactly whether here we had a supply or whatever. But when it comes to RENKO, it can filter every noises and give you a clean chart. All right, this is what you can see, a clear way where you can set your support. There is a resistance, supply and demand zone. All right, but this one goes with the direction of the market. As you can see, we don't have any of the resistance, but the market reversed here almost to our demand zone here, and now market is ready to go up, but it must confirm what is happening here. All right, so this is why we cannot rely with the single indicators or some of the indicators, because of how the market behaves. But using the RENKO, you can see, you can be able to detect and to see a clear chart. It's very clear than using a candle or charts. All right, but this is why we combine all, because also candle means a lot, because you know every candle here, let's say for example this is minute 30, every candle here formed after 30 minutes. So in every 30 minutes, we have a new candle. Every 30 minutes, we have a new candle. But when it comes to RENKO, we all know that the RENKO is based on price. All right, it's based on price. This is why a single brick can be formed after 4 hours. So it's, you cannot just say every brick here will go 15 minutes, 30 minutes. No, it can be, even one brick can be formed after 1 hour, depend with how the behaviors of the market. So if the market is ranging like this one, trust me, the RENKO will filter all these rangings and noises here and make them in one brick. That is the best thing about the RENKO, because it will that's how it filters the noise, so that you can see a clear chart or a clear market. All right. RENKO are perfect for support and resistance levels since there's less noises. I think we have covered that. Now, let us check these chart analysis, all right? It is very, very important to understand how this system analyzing the charts. It's analyzing, it is the combination of now the minute 30 candle charts, RENKO bricks, and candlesticks patterns. That is charts analysis from our RENKO system. It must analyze our minute 30 candle charts, all right, combining with RENKO bricks, and don't forgetting candle patterns, candlesticks patterns because of price action. Remember, I told you, even if it's the RENKO system, it must combine full price action and ICT concept plus SMC concept before giving the signal. So those must be our chart analysis. 3 charts, all right? Now, let us talk about the tools, analysis tools that generates the signals, or analysis tools that the EA confirms before taking the signals or taking the position. This is what we call technical analysis or technical indicators. And remember, our technical indicators, they are non-repaint. They don't repaint, and I will share with you in another video one by one. All right. So now let us read or let us learn about these technical indicators that you are expecting from the TFX Gold Hunter. We have the trend detectors. All right. We have the trend detectors. So this means that with our system must 100% must detect the direction of the market, must detect, and I repeat, must detect the direction of the market. All right, guys. So the second thing we learn from the system, or what you expect from the system, it is order blocks. When you learn about or when you talk about the SMC or ICT concept, the order block must be inclusive. All right. This is why when we jump to this place, it must confirm order blocks before taking the trades. The other thing you're expecting from this, it is supply and demand zone. As you can see it here, these are for the supply and demand zone. All right. The second one is the trend line, and the third one here, another thing here, it is high and low. We added this high and low for a reason. Let me go back to my chart to show you what is this high and low. This is a it's a daily. You can set it a daily or a weekly or a monthly in order to know the high and the lows of a daily time frame. All right. So allow me to talk about this in another day, because when it comes to this system, for example, the reason why we added about the high and low, it is good to know the parameters that you are working in. Are you working from daily or are you working from weekly because of your trades? This is why we have these our indicators for high and lows. All right, and it's non-repeating. As you can see here, there is a breakout here, but the market came to our support and broke this area, expecting this market to continue going up. But let me do this in order to help you understand more about this, our high and low. Let us go to our daily time frame. All right, because now the settings here is based on our daily. You can see we have our daily high and our daily low. All right, and you can see there was a breakout here. All right, break by wicks, but the market did not go up. But this is a trend when it comes to a small time frame that cause a confusion. All right, let me, for example, mark that from our daily time frame, and this for breakout that is here. All right, this breakout that is here, it is the one that even if we go to minute 5, all right, it is the one, even if we go to minute 5, you can see it very clear how this market broke this point. All right, and getting confusing to people whether this now they can sell or they can buy, and the market is ranging. This is why we say you cannot depend, even if it's non-repainting, or even if the indicator does not repaint, does not mean if they hit here we must buy. All right, Trading blindly, you can buy, but trading with the us, there is other confirmation that must be confirmed, inclusive the RENKO, to know whether we can buy or sell. You can see this US tech at this point. It is a downtrend here, people thinking to jump and buy. But if you go to our RENKO, it was a very smooth sell, whereby we are approaching a demand zone on RENKO charts, waiting to see if the market will go up or down. And remember, it cannot pick signal until there is a buy brick that is already formed and close as a buy before picking trades. So this one, you can see there is a formation of a buy, but it was not well confirmed until the brick closed with our golden color. Then boom, it went up. So it cannot buy because there is a reversal. It cannot buy because it has reached to our demand or supply zone. It must wait for other confirmation. So it is good to understand that the reason why we added this one, it is because of filtering, let me call it filtering, what we call manipulations. All right, manipulation. It has broken support or resistance. Oh, now we can jump. We are waiting for retest. You can wait all of those things retest, but the market might not go your direction. Like here, you can see we have a breakout this point, and that cannot assure us to buy or to sell. All right, you can see people were longing to buy this market because they can say we have broken our daily resistance. So this market is 100% confirmed buy. But the market played game before dropping like no other. All right, the market played that game, then dropped. Where were the buyers? Those people who thought that after breaking the daily resistance, now we can go up. Now you can see. But when we go to our daily time frame, it is well analyzed, the high and the low of this candle. You can see the high and the low. So if there is this breakout, we cannot just jump there. This is why we have order blocks to confirm again. This is why we have candlesticks to confirm supply and demand zone, and also a trend line. So that is the best thing about our system, because it is well programmed to do what maybe you cannot do. Because I don't say you cannot do, but it can be tiresome to do that thing. So I will cover about that later, but it is good to know the reason why we included this our daily high. We have been working for this indicator for long, and now it's 100% that market cannot repaint when it comes to this software. It doesn't matter what they are trying to do, it will help us a lot, even for scalping. Even those people who are using the candle charts, this one will help you a lot because it cannot repaint. So this is why when it sends signal, it means that signal is well analyzed, and in case of anything it goes against us, it will recover automatically. So don't forget about that. So all our system, they must have this daily. So anybody with our system, you can call me or you can contact me to get the updated system with our high and low daily indicator. All right, now let's go to other things. We have reversal detectors, we have Fibonacci retracement, we have range detectors. When the market is ranging or consolidating, it must be detected by our system. Breakout detectors, it must detect the reliable, not the false breakout, but the reliable breakout, that line, all right, that goes according to the strength of the market. So the real breakout, it must be well spotted or detected. All right, don't forget the system also filter or maximize the spread. All right, that is with the spread filter, because of how they manipulate market using the spread. Now the important part that I don't want you to miss, it is this one, because every of our system, we have changed them in this, how the system protects traders. All right, how do our systems protect traders? It is good to get this because all our system now are with what I'm about to share with you. On our system, now we have the auto risk management or account management. This is where we say we have the better determination of a sell and take profit. Now it is in percentage. Keep this in mind. It is in percentage. Last time in our videos there, I showed you guys about the SL. Our SL is based on account. Let me give you an example. Our SL or our stop loss is no longer based on where to place the stop loss. We are risking. It is about the risk ratio now. If I set there 2.0, this means I'm only risking 2% of my equity. If I set there 1.0, the stop loss will be based, all right? The stop loss will be based where that if they hit my stop loss, I will only lose 1% of my account. This assured you they will never blow your account because the system will also recover automatically. So the risk management, it's all about where to place our stop loss, all right? The stop loss is based on percentage. Now, what about the TP or the take profit, all right? The take profit is based also on percentage. You know what you are risking. It is good also to know what you are targeting, because sometimes we just check on what we are losing, but we are not checking on what we are targeting. All right. So when it comes now to our take profit here, if I set here 1.0, I'm targeting 1% of my equity or my balance. So this means if I set here 1 and my risk ratio also it is 1.0, that is what we call 1:1. 1:1 means that the same amount you are targeting, it is the same percentage you are willing to lose. So you are willing, let's say, for example, to lose $10, then even your target, it is $10. So that is if $10 is 1% of your account and we are risking 1% and we are targeting 1%. That's what we call 1:1. So that means that you are targeting $10, and if you will lose $10. If $100 is 1% of your equity, you are risking $100 and you are targeting $100. So if I set here 1:2, all right, 1:2, I will set 2.0. It's very easy to understand this. 2.0 means that I'm risking 1% of my account, but I'm targeting 2% of my equity. So that is 1:2. So I do believe you get that. All right. It's very easy now. Our take profit is based on percentage, so that whatever you want to lose, you can be able to know what you're targeting. Automated order breaks take profit and SL into percentage. All right. Let me combine with other automated breaks profit trailing. All right, let me combine them so that we can you can understand what I'm saying. We are going to combine the TP when it comes to bricks, and also automated profit trailing when you are trading with a RENKO, because here we are talking about the RENKO system. All right, now this tells you automated bricks. The reason why we call it, let's start here, TP from RENKO, or maybe or SL. It is the same thing when you are trading candle. So when you set 2%, as I've shown you at that point, that is when you are risking 2% and targeting 1%. I think you are getting what I'm saying, even if you are trading with RENKO. All right, it is good to understand that. If you are risking 2%, I'm checking where it is. The risk. Where is it? Yeah, if I'm risking 2% of my equity and I'm targeting, where's my take profit? And I'm targeting, where's my take profit? And I'm targeting, let's say, for example, take profit. I'm targeting also 4.0. All right, I'm risking 2%, but I'm targeting 4%. Even if you're using the RENKO, automatically that will be your TP, and that the 2% of loss, it will be your stop loss. All right, that is not enough. We have another setup here you're expecting from this our RENKO system. What if you want to take profit using the bricks? So this says that if you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That one can be your take profit of 5 bricks. So if this is your entry, your another take profit can be counted as bricks. Let me show you, because every settings is here, all right? Though we are not learning about the setting, just sharing with you what to expect on our system, all right? You can see we have, where is it? Just a minute. Let's say, for example, I set here exit by bricks, total 5, right? So that means that whenever, when the EA picks the trade from here, because this is now the sell after confirmation of closing this in sell, this one, all right? So it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will close automatically after the closing price of this fifth RENKO brick. So the open price of the sixth brick will the EA will have already closed there or take the profit. So that is the reason why we have it in take profit and in SL. So in SL there, we still work on percentage, but in take profit, you can also take profit by counting the bricks that you want the EA to take the profit. All right. So account, the other thing is trailing profit when it comes to our bricks. So let us open this one. Again, you can decide not to take the profit at the fifth brick, but you'd like to open a trailing, all right, so that you can trail your profit. So let us go down here. Let us go down here and check trailing. We have, where is this? Trailing by bricks. So if I set here true, let's say, for example, and I want to trail the bricks, I can say when I'm in that brick, I would like the EA to start trailing behind those 3 bricks with 1 bricks. Let's say, for example, we have set here 3 bricks. So this means that 1, 2, 3, we are in the 3 bricks in profit. After getting there, it will place the stop loss here automatically. So you are saved with 1 brick in case if this market will reverse. So this tells you or helps you a lot, because it can trail the profit until maybe you reached to your account, maybe account profit target or account percentage that maybe you have set. So it is good to learn that it has that option or those varieties of setting on how you can trail the breaks. I do believe, guys, you are following what I'm saying. We have what we call recovery account. All right. What is this recovery account? Previously, if the market, let's say, for example, you're trading gold, if gold hits the stop loss, it is gold that will recover that loss. But we discovered sometimes gold can be in loss, let's say, for example, but the jar can be in profit, and let's say USR can be in profit. The two can be in a good profit, but one in a loss, and it has already hit the stop loss. So account recovery, this means that if I have lost $10 with gold and I'm in profit of $20 in between jar and other index or other stuffs, then it can close automatically by recovering the loss of gold and look for a new opportunity. That is a great idea we did, because we are not waiting for gold to recover its loss. Now, it can be helped by other stuffs to recover the losses. That is the meaning of account recovery, all right? Because we have account profit target, all right? And we have account recovery. Oh my. Combining RENKO and candle charts issues potential signals with low risk and high returns. Now, we say that trading that suits a RENKO system, the RENKO system is good for scalping and short term. We are not saying it cannot trade long term, no, but it can trade. It is good for scalping and short term. So for the scalper, this is your system. For short-term traders, this is your system. Now, how do I work with this system now? Yet you have purchased this system today, and I've said it can trade all this. How will I do that? It is very, very simple. Let's close all these RENKO charts and let me show you something that is very, very, very easier to work with this system. Number one, open everything that I've said that the TFX RENKO golden hunt or gold hunter will trade or can trade. All right? Attach the everything here. Open those charts here. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? We have 10. Is it 10 or 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this one is hiding here. It's still good. It is 10 of them. So all you do, let's go back here. You attach this simple RENKO file. All right. After attaching that simple RENKO file, let us pause our algo trading. Now, let's say, for example, you have 500 equity or account. So this means you don't have to trade all of them, but you don't know which one today will have the signal. That is now the work of the EA to analyze all of them. All you need to do, you just go here into this corner, you double click, you minimize the charts or you limit the charts that you want to trade. So here, if I say I want to trade only one chart or I want the EA to pick only signal from one chart according to my equity. And because I don't want to miss any opportunity, this is why we are touching all of these. Let's say, for example, if I click OK there, you must save this template to replace that template, all right? We replace that template. So this means that now I can go, you can attach all this now with our RENKO file. The RENKO file is the one to open 30-minute 30 to do everything that is required, all right? Now, after there, let's say, for example, if I open again this EA, you'll find that we only have one chart. If I set again two charts here, all right, again, let me save this. Let me replace this before I explain. That is UK oil. So we're expecting two charts on UK charts. You can see two charts. What are these? Don't forget, I said attach all of them. Everything I said it can trade, attach all of them. As I'm doing here, I'm demonstrating here because you have to learn, all right? You are learning this. You attach all of them. It is easier. Now, we have attached everything. We open now our algo trading. Now, this tells us the EA, it's automated to analyze all these 10 stuffs that we are trading. But it can only pick two signals at a time from two charts. So this means if there is a signal in between US 500 and US Tech, even if others have the signals, it won't take. This is where now even account management comes in, because this tells you you cannot overtrade, all right? You cannot blow your account since that you can pick only one or two charts. So every day it will be analyzing, it will analyze all these stuffs, but it can pick only one or two signals from two charts, all right? And when we have set one, this means that it can pick only from one chart. So this does not mean you can trade only gold. No, you can let the EA monitor everything that we have attached there. And this is the point that I've been trying to tell people about our system. Even the candle ones, the SMC sniper, all right? You can attach all currencies, but it can pick only one or two according to what you have set here about minimizing or chart trades total limit. All right, if you have set here 2, it will pick only from 2 charts. If I've set from 1, it will pick only signal from 1 chart. So it is the work of the EA to choose which one with the best, with the quality signal that the EA can pick and take the trade. From there, it will wait until it has closed that let's say, for example, if it was jar 30, when it has closed jar 30, that is when now it will open another signal from maybe UK 30 or US 30 or from NASDAQ. So it is very simple to use this system. It's very accurate to use our system because they can analyze all but pick the charts according to what you have selected here. So it is the work of the EA to know which one has potential signal so that it can select, from, if these are 10, it can select 2 out of 10. But if I have set here 5, it can pick 5 out of 10. But because of money management, I always advise it is good to go not beyond 5 or not go beyond even 3. 3 charts are enough because you will be getting signal each and every day. I do believe, guys, you have understand that and you have loved the introduction about this, our TAFX RENKO Gold Hunter being upgraded to a higher level of a RENKO. So it's a combination of RENKO and candle charts. I do believe you now understand. And as I said from the beginning of this video, don't sit there and say you cannot manage to purchase our system because every EA it's not 5,000, but we are getting there, $2,000, and our manual is 650. So don't sit there and say you don't have enough money. You can get our manual system because they generate signal with everything that I'm sharing with you here. And our manual system are not regulated. You can trade anything you want in Forex market. If you want to trade gold, blah, 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 our manual system, especially in Nairobi, because that one is a RENKO system, can trade anything you want. But the EAs are regulated because that one must pay attention to what we are doing. But for the manual, you trade your choice, but everything is automated. The manual is 650 lifetime and you join our VIP, but EA is 2,000. But guys, we can arrange how you can pay with installment. So don't sit there, talk to me. That is my WhatsApp number pop-upping on your screen. Talk to me with how much you have, then we can arrange how you can be paying or you can clear the balance with the 50-50 profit. We don't ask you again to go and look another money. You will be paying with the money that you'll be making with our system because we guarantee you the profit. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.